Welcome to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to create Zalando account. The purpose of Zalando is to reimagine fashion for the good of all and drives us to make the fashion world smarter, friendlier and more open. To create the account, you can either use Zalando's official application or you can also use Zalando website. For this video, I am going for the Zalando website. Make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.zalando.com. Before going to the official web page, we need to choose the country that we are from. Now the official website of Zalando of the country that you selected will be opened. And at the top right, you can see the profile icon. You have to simply tap over there. Now enter your email address at the given box. After you are done writing your email address, you can simply tap on continue. Now you need to create yourself a strong password of at least 8 characters. Make sure the password are very strong. After that, enter your first name, likewise your last name. After you are done entering your first and last name, simply tap on register. You can now see that you will be led to this page where you need to select that what you are mostly interested in, like women's fashion, main fashions or no preference. This is the optional question, so you can go according to the choice that you want. For this video, we will go for women's fashion. After you are done choosing your option, you can simply tap on continue. You can now see that your account has been created. Now you can simply tap on continue shopping and start shopping at your Zalando account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Hub. Thank you.